We will be learning today about the next modifier. Let's first add a cube to the scene. In the selection mode, choose Face and select the upper polygon. From the drop-down tab Modify, choose the next modifier, Inset. Inset creates an additional set of polygons in the selected polygon, connecting them to their edges. The orientational pointer is added to the tool. Pointing the mouse cursor and dragging it to the side, the action of this tool will be performed. The cut in the segmented mesh will be shown when you drag the mouse cursor to its side. Let's have a look at the settings panel of this tool. Dragging the slider to the side, or entering a numeric value to the index input field, you can increase or decrease the action of the tool. Complete this action with the viewport or with the orientational pointer. Let's open the tab with additional settings of this tool. Add Options allows you to add additional functions for cutting polygons. From the drop-down tab, choose one of the additional functions of the panel Inset. In the drop-down tab, you can enter additional settings of the function by one of the coordinate axes. Clicking on the icon Remove, we turn off this option. Clicking one more time on the icon Add Option, you can add several options for one action of the panel Inset. Repeat allows you to choose the number of repetitions of the action Inset for one selected element by entering a numeric value in the index input field. Save saves the changed settings of the extended tab for future use. Save settings will be displayed in the drop-down tab Load Macro. Click on the icon Remove Macro and select Cancel or Confirm in the pop-up window to remove unneeded saved settings. To confirm the action of this window, press OK or press Cancel to cancel.